In the thick of the pandemic, California adopted a law to tell workers of dangers their employers often kept secret, which workplaces had suffered outbreaks of COVID-19, and how severe they were. Yet 6 months after the law took effect, most employees know scarcely more than before, a Bay Area news group investigation has found. Only about 1/3 of the state's 58 counties released specific information on workplace outbreaks in response to recent public records requests, and those specifics varied wildly. The state is now collecting detailed data, as required, but posts only numbers by broad industry categories that offer few useful insights on risk. Remarkably, some government agencies insist they are prevented from publicizing workplace outbreaks by the very law, AB 685, that sought to force them open. Labor advocates and legal experts blame two culprits for the law's failure: sloppy legal language and recalcitrant bureaucrats who claim to be protecting employee privacy. The combination is curtailing public knowledge at a time when improving case rates have led many California businesses to call their employees back to non-socially distanced, mostly maskless workplaces. Vaccinated workers face little risk, scientists say, but even for those workers, the situation is harrowing. "They're scared to death," said Maggie Robbins, an occupational and health safety specialist with the Oakland-based worker advocacy organization WorkSafe. "They're scared of bringing it home to their kids, their home, their mother. People need to have information about what's going on in a pandemic." The material collected by this news organization, incomplete as it is, shows the value of workplace transparency. Contra Costa County said for the first time that 171 cases occurred at a HelloFresh food delivery warehouse last summer, a revelation to workers there. The number of cases in Amazon facilities exceeds 1,700 in just 5 counties. In contrast, Trader Joe's employees in the South Bay still talk in anxious tones about having to work in a short-staffed store after a July outbreak. Nearly a year later, Santa Clara County has released no records about what happened. This news organization requested specific workplace outbreak data, including work sites, dates, locations and numbers of cases, from all 58 California counties and the 3 cities with their own public health departments. Only 20 released any material, with another 4 saying they had no workplace outbreaks, defined as 3 cases in a single location in a 2-week period. 17 counties flatly declined to provide records, arguing without evidence that naming employers who have reported outbreaks risks individual employees being identified. 13 did not respond despite numerous reminders. 7 have asked for additional time to produce records, even though each has had at least 6 weeks to respond, far longer than state law usually allows.